some breakfast and a coffee. That 2.5 hour drive. Bit of a mission, but did it in one go. Not too bad. Ignore that, I just had a piss in there. And because the toilets aren't open yet. So yeah, just borrowed my kid's potty. Good job I had it in here because I didn't have a bottle. So I don't know where I'd have gone if I didn't have that in here. Oh well. Right. I'm just going to use a gas stove on top of here. So turn all the gas on in the van. The gas was like it's been leaking. Look at the state of my hair today. Oh, this is going to move. Hoping to refill some water today from Waterfalls, but I don't know how clean it is. Nice. Did I just put that out? Water. Need to refill the water. Hopefully you can do that in the toilet. Right, coffee. My son's lunchbox pot. Lovely. Ignore the nails, by the way. Joy's having a daughter. Here comes the goods. Smells absolutely insane. Probably 4 sips of coffee in and it's time. Right, so I've just found out, I've just finished my situation in the toilet. I just walked down to the guard, security man for the car park, and there's a water tap on the toilet block. I didn't realise. So we're going to fill up there before we go. Hello Mr. Robin, you've been watching my allotment series. You know I've got a friendly Robin on the allotment. There's literally one right next to me here. Where is he? There he is. Got nothing for you, mate, sorry. I think what's left to do is put this on. Nice little jolly. I opted for the raincoat. I've got my fleece in the back in case I get a bit chilly, but I don't think I will. The reason I wanted the raincoat is so I want to try and stand under a waterfall. Hello, Mr. Squirrel. Oh. Getting a bit hot. So I want to take a layer off. No one about. Literally the quietest day it's ever been, I reckon. Mental. If I get cold, I can just put my fleece on. If my son was here, he'd be going mad right now. He wanted to try and get in it. Just on the way down to the first waterfall, the 170 steps. It's like walking up bloody Scarfell Pike. You're getting flashbacks. And deep steps as well. For these tall legs that I've got. Okay, this is mega. You ready for this? I don't want to risk going underneath it. It's the first waterfall. And I don't want to get soaked on the first one. Nothing like 170 steps to get it going in the morning. Oh my god, that waterfall was the best I've seen in a while. All that rain we've had just like sends them into overdrive. Mental. It's how dirty the water was. I don't think I want to be taking a little swig out of that today. It's all the rain though, isn't it? Washing into all the streams and rivers that feed that. It's the first big hike I've done since the Three Peaks. And that was where? 20th of October? It's now 24th or 5th of January. In between that time I've done nothing. I've just ate and slept. Just coming up to the second waterfall. I just bumped into a lovely chap having a little breather on the steps. I don't blame him. He was saying this one's beautiful down here, but he said there's another one that I'm going to walk into that is even bigger than that first one. Top things off, he had the same beanie as I did. What can I say? This is the second one. This was one up here. I haven't got a clue how you pronounce that. The Welsh bloke I just met said it absolutely spot on. I'm not even going to attempt it because I just ruined it. That literally goes all the way up there. You can go up there. Have a little investigation. Maybe you should. Don't know if you can hear me, but now we are talking. Look at that. All around. Fast that's going up there. Imagine playing poo sticks here. I'd be flying. You wouldn't even catch up with it. That is the true explanation of why you go round the corner. It's always round the corner. Always. Even if that corner's half an hour. Always go round that corner. Yes, look at this. Now we are talking. Start the long ascent now, back up to the top. I'm behind time, but I don't care. I'm not rushing. It's just quite nice not to have like a time limit to anything. Just have a little jolly and enjoy it more. Look at this. All of this. Whole way down. Even on those tiny, I'm not sure what it is. Just popped in to see another waterfall. Yeah, really busy at that one. Now this is my kind of vibe. Look at this. A couple of good skimming stones here, so I'm going to try and get one across to the other side. Here we go. This is the one. Well, that didn't work. Oh, to the centre. I ain't done that in a few years. Now this is the spot for a house. Look at this. You literally have it there. Why wouldn't you want to have a log cabin right there? like large pieces of sponge. I get comfy shoes. Let's get going. Cheers. Oh, that's hot. Ah. Found 2 caves. One down there. One down there. Obviously, I'm not going to go in them deep. I just want to go stick my head in. Have a little look. A bit smelly. I think there's bats down here or something. Oh, look. Now that is cool. Wicked. I'd like to know if that's cool. And I wonder if it glows in the dark. You can get right in down that one. You can really see it on the camera. But I don't want to go any further because there's been a landslide, got a mini landslide here. Someone's put this tree in here. It's like a little abseiling stick, but I've got no ropes or anything. I don't want to get stuck. This is nuts. Look at the size of that root ball of that tree. That is just hanging. And then look at the size of the tree. That is like a 2 foot, 3 foot overhang on that piece of rock, boulder, whatever you want to call it. I'm moving. Back in the van, just to see what's up here. I think there's a car park up the top of this hill, and I think there's a chance of a little mountain push. Not a big one. I think it's only like 600 metres. I've got about an hour and a half to kill, so I think by the look of it, we might be able to just dart up and back down again. So get some views. This is the plan. We're going up there. Simple route by the look of it. Literally cross here, up there, along the ridgeline, to the top, and then back. Just put a lot of trust in that. I hit the smallest of blokes. I do not like the look of that. Oh yes. Look at the state of that. It's coming. There is actually a walk. You can do this. There's another one. You can go up to that one, back round through the forest, over there, and back down to where I started. I want to say we're over halfway. We're probably over 3/4, because there it is. And the rain still hasn't caught me up. It seems to be stuck in the valley, which is a fucking bonus. Only time will tell. There is nothing like that feeling when you get to the top. You just cannot beat it. Well, the rain's definitely caught me up, but I don't care. We're on the way back down. We try it. Looks clean. Quite bitter, and it's very cold. And there we are. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little South Wales adventure, because I have. I know it's only been a day, but it's been fun. And waterfalls were mega. And then the buzz to get up top of that and back, I did it in 1 minute, 1 hour 17. Well, that was quite good. We'll see you guys in the next one.